Dream Build Success founder LaShonda Gary presents the Dream Build Success Conference 2018 on July 13th through 14th in Houston, Texas. A powerful training and equipping conference for faith-based believers and entrepreneurs in the marketplace. Unlock your potential and develop a kingdom strategy that creates profitability. Leading prophetic voices, women and men from all over the nation will attend. A supernatural experience, an epic shift as the heavens open with transformational coaches, speakers, and expert panelists. People of God, prepare for a day of divine impartation, vendor shopping, destiny encounters, and networking. Get ready for an epic shift. Register today at dbsconference.com.